So again, let us define what is mean. When we say mean, what is the keyword? Okay, very good, the average. Okay, how to get the average? Okay, to get the average, what we're going to do is we need to get the sum of the measures x divided by the number n of measures in a variable. Okay, so mean, it is symbolized by this. Okay, this is capital letter X, anak. Then may guhit sa taas. We can read this as X bar. So kapag may nakita kayong ganito, automatic kahit hindi na isulat yung word na mean. Siya yun. Ito si mean. Ha? Okay, and this is the formula in finding the mean. Okay, again, who is this? Mean. And then this figure symbolize summation or the sigma. So, yan yung sigma. When we say sigma, summation, anong kinukuha natin? Yung sum. Sum ng ano? Nung letter X. Small letter X. Ano po yung letter X na yon? The individual values, individual data. So, gaget natin yung sum. Then, ano po yung capital letter N na nasa baba? Okay, the total number of values or the total number of data. Ilan lahat yon? Okay, again, we're in this mathematical term is the sum of the data and the capital letter N is the number of values in the data set. So this time, we're going to use that formula to find the mean of the given and group data. Okay, the given situation is the age of the grade 7 hydrogen, we have 12, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 14. Oh, find the mean. Oh, how to find the mean? Okay, step number 1, we need to add what? Anong tawag natin dito? The given data. So, how many data do we have? 8. So, ipa-plus natin yan. Ito po yung gagawin natin. And then, i-divide natin. Ano yung denominator natin? 8. O, sige nga, add natin. Mano-mano. 12 plus 13. 25 plus 13. 30. 38 plus 13. 51 plus 13. 64 plus 13. 77 plus 13. 90 plus 14. 104. Si 104, kanino natin i-divide, anak? And what do you think is the answer? And that is the mean, 30. Do you understand? Oh, another example. Example number 2. Girls, can you read?
5 players of basketball team have the score of 10, 15, 20, 10, and 25. Find the mean score.
Okay, again, how to find the mean? To find the mean, just get the, what is the keyword? The average. Very good. Okay, how to find the average? Ipagpa-plus po lahat ng given data. O, lahat ng given na number na yan. O, start. 10 plus 15. May tatawagin po ako. 25 plus 20. 45 plus 10. 55 plus 25. 80. Divided by? Ilan lahat? Oh, 80 divided by 5. Okay, the answer is 16. And that is the mean.